This is a 1+1 where the touchscreen is broken or it doesn't work in the whole area. And this is a replacement touchscreen. I recommend to try to replace the parts of your electronics if possible, and also buy products where you can replace the screens and other parts easily. So if your screen breaks, you can do it yourself, or you can buy a replacement somewhere, so you don't need to throw it away and buy a new one, or you can fix it and sell it. That way we will save materials in the world, and that's a quite good thing. I think there are so many electronic devices that are just thrown away unnecessarily. One, because of bad design. Sometimes the design is the designers, the companies design their products. If something breaks, you'll need to replace the whole thing, and I don't think that's the way to go. I like the idea of that you can replace all the parts of the things you buy. So when you buy new things, try to choose products that are easy to replace. This little guy is the antenna, and it will clip in here on the motherboard. The guide suggests that you should remove this camera, but in the comments they say that you shouldn't, so I'll just leave it on. And the guide they suggest to use heat or a hairdryer to be able to remove the screen, but I'm actually able to pry it open with like a little tool that was with the package. So just push it in there. When it's loose, you can now remove the connectors from the casing, because if you just pull it out, the connectors will break. And also this connector down here. And there's a little gray thing holding this connector in place, so you need to remove this gray thing before you can remove the connector without breaking stuff. The old screen is freed up, and I've removed the little part here to protect the microphone. I can put it in the replacement. Bonus info: all these screws down here, you don't need to remove them. Almost finished. Exciting to see if it will work. And the display is working all over the place, so that's pretty neat.